In this video, you will learn how to fix screen that won't turn off on Samsung/Android phones. Many users face this problem, and it can be frustrating. Sometimes, the screen stays on even when you expect it to turn off after a period of inactivity. This can drain your battery quickly and lead to other issues. I will go through several easy steps to help you solve this problem. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen. This will open up the notification panel. Next, tap on the gear icon, located at the top right corner, to access the settings menu. Once you're in the settings page, scroll down a bit until you find Display. Tap on it to proceed. In the display settings, scroll down until you locate an option called Screen Timeout. Tap on it. Here, you'll see various time options for how long your screen stays active when not in use. Ensure that it is set to either 15 seconds or 30 seconds. If it's currently set to 5 minutes or 10 minutes, this could be why your screen takes longer than expected to turn off automatically. For instance, selecting 15 seconds means your device's screen will turn off after just 15 seconds of inactivity. Additionally, at the bottom of this menu is an option called Keep Screen On While Viewing. This feature uses your front camera to detect if you're looking at your device and keeps the display active as long as you're engaged. If you want your screen to turn off more reliably, toggle off this switch. After making these adjustments, check if the issue has been resolved. If changing these settings didn't work, let's try another approach. In the display settings, scroll all the way down until you find Screen Saver. Tap on it. Make sure that the screensaver is set to None. Once you've confirmed this setting is correct, test whether this resolves your problem. If issues persist even after checking those options, return back to the main settings page by tapping on Back. Scroll all the way down until you see Developer Options. If developer options aren't visible here and you're unsure how to enable them, check out our linked video in the description below for a step-by-step guide. Inside Developer Options, look for an option labeled Stay Awake. This feature keeps your screen from sleeping while charging. If it's enabled on your device and causing problems with automatic sleep functionality, simply toggle off this switch if it's currently turned on. Now that all adjustments have been made, from adjusting display timeout settings and disabling any interfering features, to ensuring developer options are correctly set up, check again if your phone screen now turns off as expected. If none of these solutions worked for you or if there are other issues affecting your device's performance, consider reaching out for professional support or visiting a service center for further assistance. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.